Number 8.
Setting up a traditional security camera is not easy. The worst part is you have to charge the battery every 3 months. The battery always runs out of juice when you need it most. Introducing EyeCube, solar-powered security camera. Thanks to solar technology and energy-saving technology, EyeCube will keep on working forever without needing to be charged. No worries about the sunset or rainy days, or even snowy days. EyeCube has 3000 mAh battery built in. You can put it on your backyard or baby room, even pet room, with a 10-meter infrared detection system and notify you of any activity. Through the application, you can share video footage to family or friends and play back recordings. And it's very important to keep safe outside. EyeCube allowing you to recharge your phone or another device, like Osmo or your Bluetooth speaker. Now we need your help to take this product to market. Back us today.
Number 7.
Introducing IMILAB EC2, a 1080p wireless security camera with the best performance and price for an AI system. The IMILAB EC2 has a long battery life that lasts up for 120 days on a single rechargeable battery. No cables required. Compared to other security cameras, the IMILAB EC2 brings you detail and clarity in full HD. As the camera stays dormant, the passive infrared sensor detects life forms, which activates in 1 second and immediately streams to the cloud. The AI technology in this camera is so smart, it can detect pets and identify them as safe without setting off any alarms. Come on, man! I feel safe knowing that the AI will detect anyone trying to break in and will automatically start recording and notify me of any activity. I wouldn't do that if I were you. Even at night, the camera's infrared sensor sees in the dark, in case unwanted guests return.
You know I can see you. I'm contacting the authorities.
IMILAB supports up to 4 cameras and a single gateway. With the IMILAB EC2, you can monitor your home from virtually anywhere. When you're at work, and you want to check in your home at any time, the two-way audio system and the remote monitoring allow me to speak to people directly. Yes, you can leave it
right at the doorstep.
Oh, will do.
The IMILAB EC2 is easy to set up and can be installed by drilling in the bracket with 2 screws and mounting the camera. Or with an adhesive backend, simply place it anywhere, mount the camera, and power it on. You can also adjust the angle using the 360-degree ball joint. Hey! IMILAB is a Xiaomi ecological chain enterprise, which uses the most advanced production quality, making the IMILAB EC2 camera also IP66 waterproof. It's tough and durable in any weather condition, operating from temperatures of -4 degrees to 122 degrees Fahrenheit. IMILAB EC2 is the first security camera that offers free lifetime cloud storage, along with an encrypted SD card for backup storage, all with no monthly charge. Are you looking for your next best solution in home security? Then try the IMILAB EC2 today.
Number 6.
Most people want to see what's going on around their property, but they honestly don't want to do the wiring and all of the hassle and everything it takes to actually put up cameras. LightCam requires no drilling, no wires, no hassle. You just plug it in, turn it on, and it works. We designed LightCam to be the most versatile and affordable camera for your house. Your camera is HD, it's infrared so it can see in the dark. So first of all, if you have a taller structure, if you have a shorter one, you can actually telescope it up and down. When you pick your viewing angle, it'll actually rotate side to side depending on where you'll actually want to see. Your actual lens comes out so you can aim your camera down. If you have a vertical sconce, you can actually go ahead and switch that so you can get the viewing angle you want. This telescoping lens actually can connect up with the glass of your enclosure. What that means is you're not going to have glare or any of the blinding kind of like, hey, the infrared's bouncing off the glass or the light is bouncing off the glass, I can't see anything at night. It's got motion activation, so if you have visitors, you're gonna know about it. It has a two-way voice on it. You're gonna be able to adjust the colors. LightCam is designed with high-end Koah LEDs, so your light should last, 15 to 20 years. I mean, we've spent basically 2 years perfecting every piece we could to make sure that it would work in as many different situations as possible. LightCam is an amazing product, and it's gonna benefit a ton of people. We really appreciate you guys watching this, and we hope that you'll help us by backing the campaign and by sharing it with your friends and family so that we can bring this great product to everybody.
Number 5.
This is Dave. He's like any other guy, a hard worker, a dedicated husband, and a music lover. But he has one fatal flaw. When the beat drops, Dave loves it so much that he loses it. This is the 6th pillow he's ripped up this month. And this is Lucy, Dave's much better half. She's meticulous, forward-thinking, and recently picked up the Vacos security camera, which really helps her keep an eye on Dave. It's wireless, which makes it easy to install, and it makes things safer around the house. The Vacos camera links directly to your smartphone, so you can access it wherever you are. It's really clever. It can sense warm objects and even identify people, so Lucy always knows when Dave's locked himself out. It also connects directly to your Alexa. So when you hear strange sounds, you can find out what's going on without even getting out of bed. Needless to say, the Vacos cameras made Lucy's life easier. Luckily, like I mentioned before, she's pretty forward-thinking. The Vacos wireless security camera. It's safe, easy to use, and completely reliable.
Number 4.
Do you need safety, happiness, and marital harmony? Yes! Then you need a Dozener Smart Doorbell. The Dozener Smart Doorbell can be fitted to any door or frame. The pull ring can bear up to 25 kg of force. It's waterproof. No raining on this party. Cold-proof, down to -20 degrees Celsius. Cool. Heat-proof, up to 60 degrees Celsius. That's hot. The Dozener Smart Doorbell is not easy to steal. The Dozener gives you alarm detection up to 30 feet, built-in burglar alarm with night vision and a motion sensor.
Get out!
Loved ones can receive messages and communicate with you through the Dozener speaker.
Hi babe, I'll be home soon. Love you.
Never sacrifice the security of your home again. The Dozener Smart Doorbell comes with app notification, remote communication. You can authorize others to answer for you if you are not able.
Hello, you can just leave it on the doorstep, thanks.
Listen to the music from the Dozener speaker. The app will notify you when the doorbell is rung. No more nights on the couch. Everyone is happier and more secure with the Dozener Smart Doorbell. Dozener Smart Doorbell with TWS Speaker, your most user-friendly 365-day security camera.
Number 3.
You want everyone in your family to know who is at your front door. Introducing Brinno Duo Smart Peephole Door Cam, the ultimate home security solution. The Duo's innovative design turns existing peepholes into a powerful smart camera. Installation is so easy, you can do it yourself in seconds. Brinno offers the innovative solution that allows dual screens for local and remote live view. Brinno is also the first provider to offer local and remote storage, so you always know who has stopped by. The retrofit design keeps the camera hidden, giving you clear front images of visitors. With the DIY installation and no hidden cloud fees, you can keep your budget in check. Save smart on your smart device. With the Brinno Duo Smart Peephole Door Cam, you can feel safe knowing everyone in your family can open the front door with confidence. Made for your family. Brinno Duo Smart Peephole Door Cam.
Number 2.
Meet Spot. Spot is more than just your average security camera. It's the future of smart home automation.
Spot is packed with all the features you'd expect in a smart home camera. Night vision, HD resolution, motion and sound detection, push notification alerts, cloud and local video storage, and we've even brought new innovative features to the market to truly separate Spot from the competition.
When we designed Spot, we wanted to be more than a security camera. In addition to preventing burglaries, we want Spot to work with your existing smoke and carbon monoxide alarms. Spot recognizes these alarms using our pattern panning algorithm and notifies you immediately of the dangers. From there, you can use Spot to see what's going on and take action if needed.
For years, we've focused on the ease and control of DIY monitoring. Spot continues this trend from the moment it's taken out of the package.
Received Wi-Fi information. Connecting to Wi-Fi.
Spot's flexibility and ease of installation makes it a snap to place spots anywhere and everywhere in your home.
We cap events in a cool way with Spot's time-lapse feature.
You can even keep your pets in line with Spot's two-way audio capabilities. Hey, get off the couch!
Spot works by itself, with multiple spots, and with the entire iSmart Alarm family of products. We've made the best smart home camera out there.
Spot has all the features that you'd expect from a smart home camera, and more.
Spot is a huge advancement over other smart home cameras, and the cost is unmatched.
Spot's just a lot of fun, and it makes sure you, your family, and your home are safe and sound.
Take a look at the information below on Spot's features, capabilities, app controls, and more. And then, pick a Spot.
Number 1.
Meet SimCam, the newest in home security. It's intelligent, private, and easy to use. With inbuilt facial recognition, 1080p recording, and high-definition snapshots, so you can easily differentiate friends and family from whoever else. With a lightning-fast AI camera that detects human faces within a second, SimCam lets you see events as they happen, as well as saved video recordings and snapshots. It's like a security guard who looks at the camera for you 24/7.
Excuse me, stranger. Can I help you?
That also means no false alerts. You can even set up objective monitoring on things that belong to you, or particular areas of your home, and receive alerts straight to the SimCam app. But warning, it may spoil a few surprises. Of course, all with timestamps and thumbnails, so you can find the vision you need in just a few clicks. Behind the curtain, SimCam AI processes your data locally with an Intel Inside VPU, so it's fast, private, and customizable for unique needs, like getting alerts when your pool fence has been left open, or when the kids aren't doing their homework. And you'll never receive a message like this. SimCam also pairs seamlessly with Google Assistant and Alexa, automating your household tasks like delivery for groceries and parcels. SimCam is fit for rain or shine, with a 360-degree rotation and HD night vision. With new developer kits, you can make SimCam your Google Clips, pet monitor, baby monitor, even elder monitor, all in one easy-to-use camera. So help us help you. Pledge now to see SimCam in your home, the new generation in smart home security.